Welcome. This is a quick tutorial on the Arbor Eyecare patient portal. We hope this tool helps make your eye care more efficient and convenient. The easiest way to access the patient portal is through our website at c2020.com. Click on Patient Portal in the upper right corner. The first time you use the portal, you'll receive a welcome message in your email, which tells you your username and a direct web link for the portal. For most people, the username is your email address, but we can set it to anything you would like. There can only be one username for each account, so if you have multiple family members, you'll need to use a different username for each person. In the portal, there's a few things that are really helpful. You can look at your upcoming appointments, see the date, time, doctor, and location. You can click on past appointments to see all your previous visits. In the past appointments section, not only can you see the date and time of your prior visit, but you can actually get the entire visit note in medical language to share with another provider if you wished, as well as the patient handout with instructions specific to you. Click on Eyewear prescriptions to see any active or expired glasses and contact lens prescriptions. If you'd like to download a copy of that, that's no problem. Just click download and view. All these prescriptions say copy on them. That's no problem. It's still valid and electronically signed. The next spot I want to show you is My Health. This is a great spot to update your contact information, insurance, pharmacy, medications, allergies, etc. When these are up to date, it helps us take better care of you. I also want to highlight this area called My Forms. You'll see on My Health, there's a little number 1 there. That's telling you that you have something in forms to fill out. For example, we can send you a record release to fill out at home and submit back to us. This section called Messages is very helpful. When you have a message, you'll get a notification in the email address linked to your account. You can send us a billing or scheduling question, a surgery question, or you can send a medical question to any of our doctors. Just remember that if you're sending a question, it may take 2 to 3 business days to respond. For any urgent issues, please call directly to the office so we can help you more quickly. Thanks so much. We appreciate you choosing Arbor Eyecare.